Welcome to Money Talk with Alex. Today, I've been getting some feedbacks from my subscribers who want to have a Facebook page. So they don't know how to go about getting a Facebook page. So today, I'm going to show you how to get a Facebook page. Just open your Facebook, just like mine. All you need to do is come to this place, click on this three dot here. It will bring you to this place. Click on your page. So I click on it. This is it. So all what you need to do now is click on create page. Click on it. It says create your page. So the next thing to do again is click on get started. So I click on get started. So enter your page name. So let me say Alexi, and I click on next. So, what category best describe the page that you want to create? If it is music, based health, and all of that, you can click on it here. You can see personal blog, product services, shopping, retail, business service, musician, and you can just see not a business thing, children. So anything that your kind of business fall under, let me say product and services, you can just click on it. So I've added it. Then the next thing I click on is next. It says enter your website. If you have a website, you can put it inside, and if you don't have, you can just click on skip here, or you can use your Facebook or Instagram link. So I click on, so that is that. So this is it here. So enter your picture, put your picture, your product picture, and you click on done. And that is that concerning how to have a Facebook page. If you find value in this video, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.